Hey guys, welcome back to PD 110. We're trucking right along with this semester and we're moving on to our next area of health related fitness, improving muscular strength and endurance. Honestly, this is my favorite area. I try to lift at least 4 to 5 times a week. It's important when you're lifting that you're uh, working out different muscle groups so you're not overworking the same muscles over and over. And you really want to have a total body focus when it comes to lifting. Now, you may have different goals. In fact, you may not be interested in lifting weights at all or toning at all. This chapter at least tells you though the different strategies that you would use depending on what your goals are. So if you want to add mass, that means you get bigger and stronger. You lift heavier weights. If you're just more into toning and shaping up the body as it is, then you would lift lighter weights. Okay, and so it goes into the difference between muscular strength, of course, is what you could do with a max effort one time basically, and endurance is what you can sustain over a long period of time. Remember though, we're talking about muscular endurance here, not cardiorespiratory endurance, which you learned about last week. All right, I've kind of rambled on enough here, guys. It's a pretty routine week. We've got a checklist, our video, our PowerPoint, your quiz, your labs, and your physical activity monitoring report. Keep on doing a great job with these. Hopefully, you're starting to notice an increase in your intensity level or the duration in which you're able to work out. So just be monitoring that carefully to make sure you are making progress. All right, guys, as always, I'm here if you need anything. And remember to always check the side for your green bars to make sure it's completely filled in. If it's missing, then that means you're short an assignment, and it could be just as simple as something that you needed to click on. Also, remember, attendance is based on each week's uh, Moodle assignments. So make sure that you're completing the assignments that week so you get credit for attending the class. All right, guys, have a great week. Take care.